Eagle Wings.
Sir, ngayong summer, ano po mga offerings ninyo? Especially for our locals and not necessarily with our locals but with foreign tourists as well.
Well, we have started this promo. We call it a taste of summer.
Okay.
Started last March, first week of March, and we gained a lot of patrons. Actually, we experienced some Cebuanos stayed with us actually during the summertime. The range of the rate actually starts 3,700 net. That is for single or double accommodation.
Okay.
And this can be applied during weekdays.
Oh.
And for weekends, the rate starts at 4,400. And it's really a nice promo actually. So we've been hearing a lot of positive comments. We're experiencing a lot of bookings already.
What other commons do you have sa taste of summer?
Well, of course, as you see, we have Long Beach. This beachfront actually they can play around.
Yes.
There's a lot of sports activities that you can have here. Volleyball, sipa, or whatever dyan. Talagang, this is about 5,000 square meters.
Half a hectare.
Yeah, yan ang beachfront natin. Of course, sa dagat naman, we have this blue waters. Makikita natin, pwedeng magbangka-bangka yan. Ayan.
And directly after us, ito yung pool. Gano'ng kalalim ba ito, sir?
Bata lang yan. Actually, that's one of the facilities of the hotel. The good thing with Microtel Mactan, since this is the biggest, we improve a lot of facilities actually just to really fit in the market of Cebu and Mactan. That swimming pool is really for children. But sometimes we see a lot of old ones also.
Kasi mahirap ng malunod.
Miss Vilma, actually the hotel has 3 swimming pools.
Okay.
3 swimming pools. Meron pang matanda, meron pang bata. At ito mixed. Matanda, bata. So 3 swimming pools actually.
Sir, how to book ba dito sa Microtel?
Well, we have a direct line, that's 236-8888. So remember the numbers, 236-8888.
Apat na 8.
Yeah, 236-8888. So Microtel Mactan.
Mr. Martin, please invite our televiewers, our kapamilya, to come and see and experience the very good services and the very beautiful Microtel hotels and resorts.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Vilma. Ang sabi ko nga, nagpapasalamat kami. We are very proud to say here that Microtel Mactan is already, doing better occupancies, and we are hearing a lot of positive comments. We can say that we will continue doing these promotions. We will really deliver international standard service to each and everyone. So please see us, visit us, and you will see our fantastic beachfront.
Wow, fantastic.
Amazing juicy. And we have this restaurant that can offer nice food. Talagang masarap na pagkain to, Miss Vilma, because this is being serviced by our chefs known here in Mactan, Chef Jason Hayat and Chef Joe Mike. They own and operate this Apaka.
Okay.
So please try to experience a very good experience here at Microtel Mactan.
Thank you so much, Mr. Roy Martin, ang General Manager sa Microtel Hotels and Resorts dinhi sa Mactan sa Dakbayan sa Lapu-Lapu. Mga kapamilya, mubalik pa inyong kinaham nga kastaw, matagbuntag, ang mayong buntag kapamilya.